Monster Cookie Bars, take 1. Guys, I love doing the bars instead of cookies. I mean, I love making cookies, but the bars are so easy. You just put everything together, put them in one pan, put them in the oven. My oven's preheated to 350 degrees. First off, I want to say thank you, Debbie, for my earrings. Can you guys see them? They are wooden hearts. They are wooden peace signs in a teardrop shape. I don't know why I said hearts. But she sent them to me for my birthday. My birthday was last week. And if anybody would like to get any or check out what they got, this says Wooden Crow is where she got them from. So they're lightweight. You can't even tell you got them on. I've been wearing them all week. I love them. Okay, so first off, I have 1 cup of melted butter in my bowl. And then we're going to put in 2 cups of brown sugar. Cookie bars, not salad. 2 cups of brown sugar. And then we're going to mix that all up. We've got mini M&Ms, we've got mini chocolate chips, semi-sweet, and we've got milk chocolate chips. And like I say, as always, the ingredients will be in that description box when I get done.
That's what she says. And she always does.
Except when we first started out, I didn't do that. I don't know why. Because I didn't know what I was doing. I still don't know what I'm doing.
We didn't know anything then.
I still don't.
We're still learning.
But we love you all being with us. And we've got some from the very beginning.
Yeah.
Stuck with us. Alright, so next we're going to put in 2 eggs. And we're going to put in 1 cup of peanut butter. Get that ready. Look at that.
Oh, you must have sprayed it.
If you spray your paint or your measuring cup, that comes right out. Okay, 1 cup of peanut butter, and it takes 1 tablespoon of vanilla.
Or half a bottle.
Yeah, a tablespoon. So I'm getting out my measurer for that because that's a lot. All right. And we give another little mixy mix. And we have 1½ cups of flour right here. And to that, I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Right there. Give that a little mixy mix. I'm going to put a little bit of that in. It's baked in a 9x13 pan. So get your pan ready, sprayed, parchment paper, whatever you do. Oil, butter. Alright. Got that all mixed. Now I have 2½ cups. It calls for old-fashioned oats. I had 1 cup of old-fashioned, and then I just put the rest with instant oats. Use what you got. That's what we say around here. And then for this big thing right here, I have 3/4 cup of chocolate chips, semi-sweet, 3/4 of milk chocolate chips, and 1½ cups of M&Ms. Now those you're going to divide that. You're going to keep some of that out, and I have it right here. Like I say, I'll put it in the description box how much you're going to use. So you're just going to use half, and 1¼ of the M&Ms on this, and then the rest you save. If that's easy for you to figure out.
Oh, yeah.
I'll leave it in the description box. It's harder for me to say to figure it out, I guess. Woo! As always, too small a bowl.
Well, you know. You'll have that.
We'll mix this up. And then we're going to pour it right into our 9x13. All right. Let's pause. I don't want to watch me stir this up.
How you know?
All right. I got this all stirred up now. Now, we're just going to dump it in here because we can.
Because that's how it's going to go.
Smells good. Look at that. Man.
Looks like a big cake.
Oh, we can't leave any of that in there. We got to get all that out. So let's get that all out. And then we're going to press it down in here. And this is going to cook. Now this is going to range from 28 to 35 minutes or so. So it's however you want them done, I guess. Because it's going to take a while for this to cook. Because they're even thick.
Yeah, it is. Makes it easy that way, though, don't it? Have it all in one pan.
Yeah, instead of making cookies. Guys, do you like making bars like these?
You could even make icing for them or whatever you want to do.
Yeah.
Cut one and put it in a bowl and put ice cream over top of it.
Now he's talking. He made peach ice cream the other day.
Oh my, is that good? That turned out fantastic.
So you got to try to get this even around in there so it bakes evenly. And then what we reserved, we're just going to sprinkle those on top here.
That's going to be a lot of chocolate.
Yes, it is. And press them down just a little bit.
I think they'll go down once you heat them.
Press them down so they stick in there. Bunch of chocolate chips there. So for you chocolate lovers, here we go. And peanut butter lovers. All right, in the oven. 350 degree for, I'm going to set it for 28 minutes. And then I'll go from there and I'll let you know how long it takes in my oven. All right, guys, 35 minutes in my oven. Here's what they look like. They're still warm, but I can touch the pan and I cut a piece out because, you know, we can't wait till they actually set up. So here's what it is. I guess I'll be the one to go in for this. So good. I will be eating the rest of this. And with the Diet Mountain Dew.
Ooh. That would be gross.
No, so good. Let me show you what Billy's been getting. Oh, they don't have a sticker on it. Oh, he's been getting raw milk from Salt Creek Farm in Kingston, Whistler area.
You got to shake it up because of the cream on top.
Cream on top, like that much. He just got this today, and look how much he's already drank. And now he'll have some more because he'll have a piece of this maybe. All right, guys. So like, comment, share, subscribe, hype, and keep us out there doing all the good stuff. You guys are doing great. I looked up some of my statistics on there, and it says that you guys are sharing. Appreciate that.
Very much.
And help us grow, guys. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show. Peace out. Have a great day.
Later, Gator.